So today let us discuss about India political. What is this India political? Okay, so first thing is that India has been divided into earlier we used to have 29 states and how many union territories? Before 2019 we used to have 7 union territories. Okay, India has been divided into 29 states and 7 union territories before 2019, October 31st. Okay, so what happened in October 31st? Okay, Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, it was a state. So this has been divided into two union territories. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir has been divided into two union territories. The first one is Jammu and Kashmir, and the second one is Ladakh. So by this, how many states we have? One state converted into union territories. So by this, we have 28 states, okay, and 9 union territories till 2000, sorry, till 2020. We have 28 states and 9 union territories. So in 2020, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu, Daman and Diu. So these two group of union territories merged into one union territory. Children, are you understanding? In before 2020, Dadra and Nagar Haveli as well, Diu and Daman, these two are two different union territories. But in 2020, these two merged into one union territory. So at present in India, we have India divided into 28 states and 8 union territories.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 8
Yeah,
union
ma'am.
territories. Understood, children? Don't get confused. Before we used to
Yeah,
have
ma'am.
28 states and 9 union territories, but when they have merged Dadra and Nagar Haveli as well Daman and Diu into one union territory, so by that we have at present, this is the current information as per today, we have 28 states and 8 union territories in India. So that means
Okay, ma'am.
India has been divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. So children,
Okay.
here you should get one doubt. Why India has been divided into states and union territories? Why? Because to make the administration easy. To make the administration easy.
Easy.
See,
Yeah.
for example, if only PM is the head of the country, okay, only
He will
prime
have
minister
lots of
is
work.
the head of the country, you can just imagine the, the situation of the prime minister, right? So it is very difficult for a single person to administrate throughout the country. So that is the reason the country has been divided into different states based on the, the people, based on the population. The country has been divided into 28 states. Present,
Yeah,
we
ma'am.
have 28 states. Okay, states
Yeah.
are good. State government will be there. Okay, state government will be administrating the states, right? CM will be there, governor
Yeah.
will be there, okay,
Yeah.
and cabinet ministers will be there. All state cabinet ministers will be there. Okay, this administration makes easy, and where the work will be done in a proper way at the state level. Then what about the union territories? Why do we have union territories? Why some places are calling as the union territories? What is the reason? Can anybody tell me the answer?
Because they will be directly headed by the central government.
Why those places also will not come under a state?
Because they are at borders, like near
Union
the
territories which we have in our country. Okay, why those places are called as the union territories? Why those places will not come under the state? Because there are some reasons. Okay, those are maybe very sensitive places. Okay, or there may be some kind of religious issues or language issue. Okay, or there are some other
border.
reasons also. Yeah, border issue. Like if you see why Jammu and Kashmir has been divided into two union territories, because when it was a state, okay, only the state government can take the decision. In emergency, the central government, it was not becoming easy for the central government to involve in the border issue. So if the union territories are there, these union territories will be under the
Hello,
control of
ma'am.
the central government.
Yeah.
Okay, all the union territories. Children, are you understanding? All the union territories, the eight union territories which we have in our country, these eight union territories will be under the control of the central government. So here we don't get any, I mean, we can't see any state government in the union territories, because in case of emergency, is as the central government is administrating the union territories, so that the central government, it may be border issue or security issue or any other kind of issues, the central government can take the immediate decisions on the union territory. So that is the reason some places will be considered as the union territories in our country, which are under the control of the central government, where we don't find the state government in the union territories. And we have 28 states. For all 28 states, we have 28 state governments in our country. Children, understood till here? Is Do you have any doubts in this? Anyone
No,
of
ma'am.
you?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Understood everyone? Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So now, yes. So what are the union territories? Okay, I'm talking
Yeah.
about union territories, that we have 8 union territories. Then what
Okay.
are those 8 union territories?
They are Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir,
Okay.
Dadra Nagar Haveli,
Mm,
Pondicherry,
mm.
and Daman and Diu.
Andaman
Andaman
Nicobar
and
Islands.
Nicobar Islands.
Yeah, Andaman and
The
Nicobar Islands,
And
Lakshadweep
Lakshadweep.
Islands, and
Lakshadweep.
also national capital city Delhi
Delhi.
is also the union territory,
Union
right?
Yeah.
So these are the union territories we have, and you all know that what are the states we have in our country, right? So
Yeah.
this is about the political system of our country. So why this political system introduced? That means why country has been divided into some different states, because to make the administration easy, to reach all the policies which are prepared by the government, to reach all the policies to each and every corner of a place of the country. So that is the reason. So the country has been divided into the different states. So the next topic which we have to learn is about the India political. So what are the regions we have in our country, like north region, south region, eastern region, and western region, like this we can say, based on the directions, we have different regions in our country. Okay, so let us discuss about the political regions of India. The next topic which we are going to discuss is political India political. Okay, this is the next topic. So what is India political? So the division of landmass into geographical regions helps us to understand many geographical features such as location of place, soils, directions, and flow of rivers. India is divided into the following six geographic regions. So children, okay, political divisions we have discussed, and next coming to the geographical regions, that means the Indian landmass. Okay, the Indian landmass, this already in grade 5 we have discussed. Indian landmass has been divided into six categories. Okay, that means the physical features of India. Can anybody tell me what are the physical features of our country, of India? No one? Plains, plateaus,
Plateaus.
mountains, deserts, islands,
Peninsula.
coastal area. So these are the physical features of our country. Okay, plains, plateaus, mountains, deserts, okay, islands, and coastal areas. Okay, plains. Where do we have plains in our country? Where do we have plains in our country? Mostly in India, the plains are stretched in the North India. Okay, children, are you understanding? In our country, mostly we can find the plains in the North India. Why only in the
Near
North
Jammu and
India?
Kashmir.
Why not in the other places? Because these plains makes due to the flow of the rivers. Okay, flow of the rivers. Most of the rivers originates from the Himalayas in our country. So Himalayas are located in the North India. So the rivers are, traveling from a long distance, uh, from one place to other place in North India. So the river makes the soil which is present in the North India into very fertile soil. So those fertile soil turns into the plains. So the plains are located in the North India. Understood, children? So these northern regions, it contains the Himalayan region and western Himalayas, as well as the western parts of the northern plains. So these are the northern regions. We have Himalayas in the north, okay, and also we have northern plains also in the northern regions. And coming to the western region, we have, it includes the Rajasthan desert and semi arid parts in west. So if you see in the west direction of India, we have the Thar Desert, which is located in Rajasthan. Okay, so in the western direction, we have the Thar Desert, which is located in the Rajasthan. And coming to the eastern regions, eastern parts of the Gangtok Plains and Chota Nagpur Plateau are included in this region. So towards the east side, we have Gangtok Plains. Okay, Gangtok Plains in the sense the Ganga River which flows in that region in the east direction. So that area becomes like the Gangtok Place. And also we have Chota Nagpur Plateau in the eastern direction. Okay, in the eastern direction we have Gangtok Plains, as well as we have Chota Nagpur Plateau in the eastern direction. And next we have northeastern direction. All the northeast states are included in this region. So all the northeast, okay, states are included into the Gangtok Plains as well as into the Chota Nagpur Plateau region. And coming to the southern region in India, what do we have in the south direction of India? It comprises of western and eastern Ghats as well as the Deccan Plateau. So in South India, we have western Ghats and eastern Ghats, as well we have the Deccan Plateau. In South India, in the southern region, we have Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, and the Deccan Plateau. Okay, so this is the south region, and the Ghats are well as the Deccan Plateau. The Indian mainland is politically divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. There are two island groups, one in the Bay of Bengal and one in the Arabian Sea. The list of 28 states and union territories are given in your textbook. If you want to check, you can check. So children, along with all these physical features, we have two group of islands. We have two group of
Ma'am,
islands. Yes,
United and territories are 9, no, ma'am.
right. So as in 2020, just now I have told you Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Dayu and Daman merged into one union territory. So that now at present we have 28 only. Okay, this was happened recently. Otherwise, we could have
Okay.
29. Sorry, 9 union territories. Okay, so the other geographical feature which we have is two group of islands. One is located in Bay of Bengal and one is located in Arabian Sea. Which is located in Bay of Bengal? Which island is located in Bay of Bengal?
Andaman and
Andaman Nicobar.
Andaman and
Nicobar.
Nicobar islands are
Islands.
located in Bay of Bengal. And which islands are located in Arabian Sea?
Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. Right? So, this is about the political division of India. So, we have 28 states, 8 union territories. Earlier, we used to have 29 states, 9 union territories, and as per 2019, we have 28 states, 9 union territories, and in 2020 they have merged Dayu and Daman and Dadra and Nagar Haveli into one union territory. So at present we have 28 states and 8 union territories, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And
Yeah, ma'am.
north side we have northern plains, as well as we have Himalayas. In the west direction we have Thar desert, which is located in the Rajasthan region. And northeast direction we have Chota Nagpur plateau, as well we have the um, what we have in the northeast direction, Chota Nagpur plateau and the Gangtok plains, which we have Gangtok plains, which are formed by the Ganga river. And if you take in the southern region, we have Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats, as well as we have Deccan plateau. And along with that, we have two group of islands, and these two group of islands are located in Bay of Bengal, as well in Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. So this is about the India and political division, right? And next we have physiographic division. So based on the physical features of the country, into India is divided into how many physical features? So that also let us see now. Based on the physical features, India has been divided into 6 physical features.